How to add Snapchat filter to an existing photo from gallery. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add Snapchat filters to existing photos. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to this gallery icon. From this section, go to camera roll. Now go and search for the picture you want to add. So I'll just go ahead and search for a specific picture from my phone. I'll use this picture. After you select the picture, now tap on this little arrow, this one. So here's now I have different pictures. So go ahead and edit your photo. So now swipe your hand to left or right like this. So now here is the filter section. Now go ahead and search for a filter you want to add to the picture. So just go ahead and search for a filter. After you add the filter you want to add to the picture, if you want to send the picture to your Snapchat, tap on this send button or this one. If you want to download the picture, just tap on this long press your hand on the hotspot button and swipe to this side and tap on this download button. So from there, now I save the picture to my phone gallery. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat filter to existing photos from gallery. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.